All right, so here we go. This is like number 2 on interim assessment 2. And before I even read the question, I kind of want to just come over here and let's interpret this graph a little bit. All right, I know it is a circle graph, and I know that anytime I deal with a circle graph, I'm dealing with parts of 100. All right, parts of 100. So, I know that if I added up all those percentages, they would add up to 100%. Then I can see that this kind of peach color is tropical storms, yellow is tropical depressions, blue is category 1 hurricanes, green is category 4, and pink is category 3. So what we're doing is we're looking at the number of storms that happened in the Atlantic Basin in 2011. All right, so let's read the question now. There were 20 cyclones. 20 cyclones. Apparently, a cyclone would include all of those hurricanes, depressions, and storms. Use the circle graph to find how many of the cyclones were tropical storms or depressions. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to write down tropical storms. From our circle graph, how many tropical storms were there? What's the percentage there? It looks like we're on a big delay. Let me see if I can fix that. There we go. All right, tropical storms is that peach color, so that's going to be 60%. 60% of the storms were tropical storms. Tropical depressions are the yellow one, and that's going to be 5%. So I'm going to add those together to find out how many of the storms were storms or depressions, and that's going to be 65%. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to change that to a decimal. And remember, to change that into a decimal, I'm going to move that decimal 2 places to the left. So I'm going to say that's 0.65. So to find the actual number of storms, not just the percentage, I'm going to multiply that times the total number of storms. That's like saying 65% of 20, okay? Because 65% of the total of 20 storms is how many were tropical storms and tropical depressions. So I'm just going to stick that in my calculator here. And I get 0.65 times 20. So approximately 13 were tropical depressions or tropical storms.